There's more legal wrangling over the proposed development near the Lycoming Mall. Today is Earth Day, April 22nd, and this is 570 News on the Go, brought to you in part by NorthCentralPA.com. Partly sunny today, a high near 70. A new council member has been appointed to fill a vacant seat on Williamsport Council. North Central PA reports Republican David Dussinger, an engineer, will fill the seat left vacant by the passing of Bonnie Katz. She, too, was a Republican, and there is a tradition of appointing someone of the same party to fill the vacant seat of the previous owner. A Lock Haven man has entered a guilty plea in a child sex abuse case out of Center County. On Tuesday, Michael Oglesby pleaded guilty to one criminal count of involuntary sexual intercourse with a child under the age of 13. Prosecutors say he's expected to be sentenced to serve 14.5 to 29 years in a state prison. Multiple assaults occurred in homes in Center and Clinton counties between 2015 and 2018. The legal wrangling continues over the proposed development near the Lycoming Mall. The Sun-Gazette reports the developer and defendant, FamVest Acquisitions, has filed a motion to dismiss the request for a preliminary injunction. The lawsuit filed by Alvico Ltd. is an attempt to stop FamVest from demolishing the Bush House estate to make way for the development of a Hilton brand hotel and Wawa. Fire damaged a garage in Lycoming County's Fairfield Township on Tuesday morning. According to the Sun-Gazette, crews were called to the workshop storage garage at 4773 Lycoming Mall Road to find smoke visible from all sides of the structure. The blaze was knocked down within 15 minutes. There were no injuries. Damages were estimated between $10,000 and $15,000. Charges are filed against the parents of a child who fell from a ski lift in Blair County in March. Micah and Maya Porter of State College are each facing one felony count of endangering the welfare of a child. State police were told the 5-year-old boy was alone on the ski lift at the Blue Knob Ski Resort when he fell off the lift, landing on the snow-covered ground 20 feet below. He was later flown to the UPMC Children's Hospital in Pittsburgh. However, it was confirmed he was not injured. WTAJ reports the state police concluded the lack of adult supervision led to the 5-year-old child falling. Furthermore, it took approximately 15 minutes to locate the child's parents, who were unaware of the incident at the time. It's been 14 years since former Penn State football coach Jerry Sandusky was found guilty on child sex abuse charges, yet the legal battle over his conviction continues. WJAC reports a judge is calling for a new hearing involving an accuser who testified against Sandusky at the trial. It's alleged the accuser claims he was heavily coached by prosecutors on his trial testimony to make false allegations. The state attorney general's office described the appeal as desperation and hearsay. Meanwhile, Sandusky continues to serve his 30 to 60-year sentence in a state prison. Punxsutawney Phil is going to make a special appearance in Pittsburgh this week. He will be in the Steel City for an appearance at the NFL Draft. He and his Inner Circle members will also be at Point State Park on Thursday to kick off the Great Pennsylvania Mascot Race. Phil will also be at the Pittsburgh Pirates game on April 30th to throw out the first pitch. And today is Earth Day, an annual global celebration dedicated to environmental protection and awareness. Several Earth Day activities will be taking place over the next month. On Saturday in Williamsport at Brandon Park, and in Muncie on Saturday for an Arbor Day celebration. Then on April 30th at the Hess Recreation Fields in Danville. In the past couple of weekends, local chapters of Trout Unlimited have gathered to clean up streams and roads. For the latest in news and events, head on over to NorthCentralPA.com. I'm Liz Brady, and you're up to date with 570 News on the Go.